If x square minus 2 is less than 0, that means we can simply write it as x square is less than 2. And if x square is less than 2, then it simply means that x must be between a square root of 2 and negative square root of 2. So that clearly gives us correct answer as C option. You can always take it symmetry from comparison, that if x square were less than 4, then x will always be between 2 and minus 2. That means we take the square root of this and x lies between negative and positive range. That's one way. The alternative method to answer this question would be that uh, you simply do that x square minus 2 is less than 0, and you do x square minus square root of 2 of square is less than 0. Now you can apply the property of a square minus b square. That means x plus square root of 2 multiplied by x minus square root of 2 is less than 0. For this result to be less than 0, one of these two things, because we are multiplying two things and their product is negative, that means one of them should be positive and one of them should be negative. Now we can see that x plus root 2 must be greater than x minus root 2, because it is root 2 less than x and it is root 2 greater than x. So obviously if one has to be positive and one has to be negative, then the greater value should be positive and the smaller value should be negative, which means x plus square root of 2 should be greater than 0 and x minus square root of 2 should be less than 0. So x should be greater than negative square root of 2 and x should be less than the square root of 2. If you combine both of them, then you find that x must be greater than negative root 2 and less than square root of 2. So the answer to the question again becomes option C, right? So you have these two methods, method number 1 and method number 2, to answer this question. Thank you so much.